Hello, good afternoon, Tribuners. Welcome back with me, Kustul Aisyafah, in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is, Student Executive Agency demonstrant reject fuel price increase at the horse statue. The area of the Medan Merdeka, route Central Jakarta, was closed by the police on Thursday afternoon. The closure was carried out following an opinion submission action by the Nusantara Student Executive Board. Based on the PEM Nusantara, there was also representative for the campus elements or the other campus executive body who joined that action at horse statue area Arjuni Wiha in the front of the Sabma Pesona Baiting Ministry of Tourism. Direction today to resist in decrease in prices of subsidized fuel oil or BBM, rejecting the government's plan in the increase. The price of sub business fuel because it will have a domino effect on the community economy, especially the lower middle class. The student also demand at the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Joko Widodo, announced the subsidies fuel due to type of the Pertalite and diesels would not increase in the price. The next news is, Pekanbaru residents are whistling queue to 1 hour or to hear fuel resist. The news of the increase in Pertalite and solar price on the September when whistle were already here. Apparently, it news not been happen of the price of the Pertalite remains 7,650 later today on the Thursday 1 September 2022. PT Pertamina actually lowered the prices of the Pertamax Turbo, Textile and Pertamina Daxval types as 1 September 1. Previously on the Wednesday, motorists were willing queue to the gas station to get fuel oil, especially Pertalite and diesel. Long lines of motorbikes and four-wheelers fences and see the gas station. After news of the planning increase in fuel prices on September 1, 2022. This condition can be seen at the gas station on the Soekarno-Hatta route near the fork in Arifin Ahmad route. The queue of the fences was also seen at the Rangka gas station. A similar sight can also be seen in the HR Subradas gas station, which is not far from the Putri Tujuh Intration Road. Some of drivers were willing to the queue for up to an hour. He was dispatched in standing in long lines because it here news regarding the planned increase for the price of the next day. He then rushes home after work, quitting at the gas station the whole group of the motorbike until the tank was full. This private employee determines that was suspicious and here news the planet increases in the fuel prices. He said the policy of increasing fuel prices could not greatly have an impact on raising prices of the basic commodities. Really hope the government had cancelled the planned increase for the price. He considered that there were other policies that might help ordinary people like himself. Reporting from the mypertamina.id website, the Pertamax type full to prices reported to be going up 10,000, internal to 7,650 liters, and even spread to the community. Likewise, the price diesel fuel to which is rumored will increase in 7,650. from the previous 5,150 liters. To now, the price remains unchanged. Likewise, Pertamina is still 3,500. Previously, for the type of non-subsidies full to price have decreased. Pertamina Turbo, which was previously 17,900 liters, 50,900 in the down 2,000 liters. Pertamina Deck from the previously for the liter 18,900 to 17,400, or a decrease of the 1,000 liters. The next news is PD Police secures modified tank pickup car for the transferring subsidy fuel. The operational team, the Criminal Investigation Unit and the Intelligence Security Unit for the PD Police have secured the 44th along with a L3 in a pickup car with a modified tank with the transport subsidy fuel oil in the Mutiara District PD on the Thursday, 30 Agustus 2022. The PD Police Staff Adjutant Commissioner Padli Tok, the head of Criminal Investigation Unit, Inspector Police 1 Muhammad Rizal said, there is statement information from the public who carried trees in the long queues at the Severial gas station in the PD. After investigation, he said it turned out be the Thursday curious a number gas station and was consigliere to the secretary of diesel, fuel and pertalite. When a deeper investigation was carried out, the officer found L3 pickup car and has just come to the Blank Malu subsidy PD. Upon passenger in the distance, car was carrying subsidy full. Two car was driving were badly arrested. He admitted that the worst is by the station PD Regency after the tank was full. The modified car was taken and the pump engine to be fired into the jerrycan and the result resist statement. The perpetrators along with the dead fights and the from LT3 pickup car with HG jerry cans containing subsidies diesel were secured to the PD Police for the legal processing. The next news is, Bulungan Regency government service for the adjust price and supply can be valid. The government plans to adjust the price of the subsidies fuel in the with increases the poor and revenue and increasing the body status review expense budget. However, until now has been not this vicious government regretting this discourse. The region of Bulungan Syarwani assistant the government discussed at just price was acquired by the looking the increased burden of the state budget. Along with the plan, there are several formations prepared by the government to the Ministry of Social Affairs. The government will be distributed to Social Affairs Fund funds in the tourist for the community march for storing food price and the discourse of increasing subsidies for the price. However, it is Syarwani said, until the regions not receive technical instruction related to the matters. This information has just been submitted to this day. We have received by technical guidelines related to the location. With this adjustment, this Corp Syarwani hope that the Pertamina is safe to continue ensure supply the Bulungan Regency area can be met. Thus being able parts and acute gas station. Right now, Pertamina supply is limited still. This price adjustment will be defined have an impact other sector. Then it determines sufficient is still contract, the government and stakeholder will continue to pay attention. Later, this will be discussed for tuner. Separately, the deputy chairman of the Bulugan urged government to immediately consult socialists before the price adjustment was made. We cannot interest the central government policies, however, personally have the successful do not crazy. One of the points considered, namely the three middle and upper class people who enjoy subsidies full. Therefore, monitoring of the prices and availability of a good in market must be continued to crying out. So it asks local government to continue to monitor the market. The next news is, men in Gresik come to Masyu at the dawn instead of the praying they are dispersed to the scene. The motorcycle of the took place in Nuruhman Masku at the city Sempayan district of the Gresik. The cat of the motorbike was account on CCTV camera when the owner was crying out the monitoring prayer in considering. Unmitigated to the motorbikes belonging to the Takwir management collapses in the district of the Sempayan Gresik. The two motorbikes stolen by the Revo and Supra X in the belonging Sumatro Hadi and Bitrudin Sintai district Gresik. The victim were the chairman to treasurer of the local village Masku Takmir, one of the victims Sumitro. He said that the motorbike was located by the steering wheel. The victim relates to the other motorbike Revo in the knowing that the motorbike was missing. The victim badly modified Patrudin who also the victim's brother. A badly formed by the sister who was still towing ticket in Masku, might the brother also motorbike. Initially, the gist of the various motorbike in the north parking of the however, due to having difficult breaking into the bike and finally switched to the short parking lot. From the CCTV footage, it's clear to the scenes in Flores to the theft on private spraying with a toll with a motorbike. One private took a motorbike after it was sprayed. The next news is, the route is closing for the 5 hours. Trace is a shift of the axis Mario Panket rival bridges today. After being postponed for the week, the shift of the motor route bridging Masih di PG Village, Lau District, Mairas Regency, South Sulawesi will be carried out on the Wednesday night. To help smooth the work of the Macros Pangkep access route, previously and the Masih PG Village will be temporarily closed. This road closure will be last about 5 hours starting due to suspicious constantly hurried installation of the steel bridge was being pre-nest again in the matter staying hydraulical launcher equipment. This hydraulical launcher has a capacity of the tons punishing at the bridgeal load of the tons per day 40 minutes. Its body is private a generator with a capacity more than its capacity of the hydraulic booster fighter jet and has been prepared. In the general equipment for the installation of these steel bridges has been well prepared. He added the preparators for the installation of the steel bridge can already be done by the consulting a final check on the steel structure that the several and bridges based on equipment. The next news is, sadness of the grandfather in Sragen died after being hit by a bus train ran over a red light. The grief of the old man in Sragen, W. Sugiman, 68 years old, is resident of Bumiaji village, Gombolongan district, Sragen Regency. He was inflamed in accident on the Ngawi Sragen route, previously in station of the Dalapandang Ngampal district, Sragen Regency, on the Thursday. Head of Traffic Police Inspector Tu Irwan Marianto representing Sragen Police said, Adjutant Commissioner Police Peter Yon Tama said the incident occurred at around 7 p.m. It is true that there was an incident including a bus with motorcycle at the run. The bus influence was a Mercy bus PO Marius with license plate B, and the motorcycle seat with the police number, which is driven by the fight team. Meanwhile, the Mercedes-Benz PO Haryanto bus was driven by the Aji Susanto, 38 years old, resident of Duku Kolutan, Karangau village, Lupu district, Sragen Regency. He continued, the incident started when the bus traveling from the east to the west of Solo, Ngawi. Then the motorcycle drove to the south to the north. After being close to the scat, the traffic light from the east turned red. However, it is suspected that the driver of Mercedes-Benz bus did not pay attention and continued. As a result of incident, Sugiman suffered a swelling on the left side of his head, blister under his neck cheek, blisters on right knee, and the blister back to his leg. Initially, Sugiman was considered hospitalized of the Swardi Pijo Negoro Hospital, Sragen. Well, I think those are the news for today with me, Kusnul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.